Video, we're gonna create a virtual environment in Python, and then we will activate it and then deactivate it. So let us begin. First, I use a environment. This is a directory right here that I use to put my virtual environments. And if you want to know how to do this, what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and we'll go back to the root. You know, if we type pwd, we see that we are in the home directory of the VBox user account, using a virtual machine right now. So let us make a directory, and we're going to call it virtual environment. Okay, so now we're going to change directory into virtual environment. Now we're going to type python3. We're going to use the m flag for module. Virtual environment, and we're going to call this my my virtual environment. Okay, so now we're going to activate it. We're going to say source my virtual environment / bin activate. And you see right here we're inside the virtual environment. So anything, any Python that we create or any libraries that we install, they will be self-contained within this environment. And to deactivate the environment is very simple. We just type deactivate. Okay, so now we'll go back to our root, and then we're going to list it out, and we're going to see right here, virtual environment. That's the directory that we made, and I don't know if this video helped you at all. Hopefully it did, and don't forget to subscribe. Learn some more Python. Thank you.